made over 300 bucks in under 1 hour. Trust me guys, I'm not going to waste your time with this video, and I'm actually going to mention successful ways on how you can save up money for your first gaming PC, especially as a teenager. You're probably asking yourself right now, okay Michael, how did you make 300 bucks in 1 hour? That's crazy to even think about. And trust me, I thought the same. But what I basically did is voiceovers for a pretty known YouTuber. He had like a YouTube channel with around 600k subscribers, and he was running this channel on voiceovers, which means that he had basically scripts ready on, and he just needed someone with a microphone, something like this here. This microphone is like 79 bucks, to just simply read out the script and give him exactly that audio data. I didn't even have to show my face, nothing else guys. I basically just read out a script and he paid me 50 bucks for one script. I did around 6 of them in literally 1 hour because I just sit down like, yo, what's up guys, blah blah blah. In this video we're gonna take a look at the top 5 craziest slides. You won't believe what happened in the first place. And like that, I just recorded 6 videos in around 1 hour and got paid 300 bucks. That sounds crazy, right? And you're probably thinking yourself, hey, I'm maybe 15, 16, I've got a nice voice, I've got a microphone. You don't even need this guys. 79 is already way too high. You can get like an Amazon Basics microphone for 25 bucks, which will sound amazing with the right acuity settings, and then just simply go out there and offer yourself as a voiceover guy. I mean, you don't even have to show your face. You're just simply gonna go there, yo, what's good? Probably in the first place, if you're not super known or I don't know, you don't have any qualifications, you can just say, hey, I'll do it for 20 bucks. But bro, you're reading out a script and you get 20 bucks for it. That's better than actual work. That's paying you more than any other job out there, which you can do probably around that age. And now that I got your attention and you're thinking, damn, okay, he actually knows what he's like talking about, I'm gonna mention all the other stuff. I'm basically trying to motivate you guys to really go out there and search for something, because I know personally for myself, when I was around 15, 16, 17, 18, I was just wasting my time in front of the PC. I was just playing games, you know, getting an ego on CSGO. And overall, I could really have spent that time a lot better guys with doing some stuff like voiceovers. That's super simple. I mean, everyone has probably around 20-30 bucks to get a microphone if you already own a PC where you're watching this right now. Like, I mean, that's the most amazing thing you can do. You just wake up whenever you want to, you do a bunch of voiceovers and you get paid pretty good money. Then next up guys, another category which I want to mention is creating thumbnails. You won't even understand guys how easy it is to get insane thumbnails. This one, which is right now here on screen, took me 3 minutes to make. This one right now here on screen took me only 2 minutes. This one only even 1 minute. It's so easy guys. Once you really get the process down guys, and especially making thumbnails in a huge scale, let's just say you make like 10, 15, 20 of them a day, it's gonna become so insanely easy guys. Like, don't worry there. I know you're probably like in the first place like, yo, how did he do that and all that stuff. There's so many tutorials out there on the internet how to make professional thumbnails where you don't even need like the craziest tools. Like, some people do that in GIMP and it turns out like that. Like, the only thing which is again holding you back is yourself, because you think, oh, am I even going to make it? Is it even worth it? What if I'm not gonna find anyone to sell my thumbnails to? Trust me, if you do it the right way and you actually learn how to make them good and you really have like an eye for it, you know, like some people just simply have like this vision how to make good thumbnails. Bro, you can easily charge 5 bucks per thumbnail. Let's just say you make 10 of them a day. That's 50 bucks a day. And what do you guys rather do? You go on Twitter and whine about, oh damn bro, I can't afford a GPU. But then on the other hand, the same people are sitting there hours in front of YouTube just consuming content and not doing anything productive. And don't get me with the you need a beast PC. For thumbnail editing, you can literally use like an old laptop. Like, it's that easy guys. So then the next step, what I also want to mention is video editing. Super basic one. Editing TikToks for YouTubers, for bigger content creators. You don't even know how much bread is in this niche guys. Like, there's literally people out there which I know personally who edit full-time and they're making thousands of dollars every single month because they're editing for content creators full-on videos. The editing doesn't even have to be super complicated. Basically, the most important part, where even me personally now got an editor, is because I don't want to sit there minutes or hours cutting out all the you know, like these brief effects. That's like the most annoying part about YouTube videos, guys. Cutting out these brief moments in between, you know, where it's like no audio whatsoever, thinking about something, not saying anything, you know, these boring parts. That's like the most important part about it. Get yourself a really good and simple intro style, which you can basically repeat on every single video, especially if it's content videos or tutorials, stuff like that. It's really easy. Get yourself a bunch of presets, which you can already do in most of the free to use editing tools anyways. They already come with a ton of presets, and get yourself down as a video editor. You can really charge up to 20-30 bucks for like a 5-8 minute video, and I mean, that's also really good money. So what do we have in the first place? Voiceovers, thumbnails, video editing, everything which you can see around YouTube. Basically sit yourself down, watch a video and just think about, okay, what would it take as a production to actually make this content? You need someone who's doing the voiceover, the voice in the first place. You need someone who's doing the thumbnail. You need someone who's doing the editing. Then the next part, you can even offer yourself as a content scout. Yes, some YouTubers really pay people to do some research on specific topics, provide them with valid information on the content that they want to do videos about. Let's just say there's a brand new gaming keyboard. You personally would offer yourself as someone who would do a lot of research about it, find a lot of good content about it on the internet, footage, whatsoever, write a small article and give it to the content creator so he can make a full-on video about it. Guys, there is so much background processes with this whole content editing niche that literally you can make money with basically anything. And I hope that at this point you're really motivated watching this video right now and you're like, damn, okay, I really need to start something. Don't lose that momentum. Even though if you get bored after the next hour, you know, you're doing some research now, don't get bored, guys, don't give up. I hope this video was helpful. If you want me to go more in depth about other methods, basically how to go on with it, let me know down in the comments below, guys. And with that said, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a good one. Peace.